I'm going to have you guys do some practice on. So there is another thing that might come up, though, is solving. And if you guys remember when I solved with the multi-angles, I said, oh, just do everything the same, but then divide at the very, very end, right? Remember that? That was kind of what we did for multi-angles. However, that only works, though, when your trigonometric functions are exactly the same, or you have 2x for all of your angles. So in this case, we still need to solve. But remember, like on the quiz, to solve this, you need to set your function equal to 0. Now, I see there's a double angle. So I would use my double angle formula. So Brandon, not right now. What you'd want to be doing is writing down what the double angle formula for cosine, which is cosine, I forget. Dang it. Not there yet. Cosine, double angle, cosine. Ooh. So this would be an example. See how I already have a sine here? I really don't want to use cosine squared and sine squared. I want to have something in terms of sine only, because that's easier to factor. Would you guys not agree? So I am going to use, I'm going to rewrite this as 1 minus 2 sine squared of u minus sine of x equals 0. Then I'll rewrite this. So now it looks like it's in quadratic form. And yes, you can factor out a negative. Divide that negative out. And then let's see if we can factor this with x's. Well, this would be 2x and x. So plus 1 minus 1. Does everybody follow my factoring? Just a little practice. OK. Now I can rewrite this with the signs. So 2 sine of x minus 1 times sine of x plus 1 equals 0. I'm sorry, I did not write my constraint. I'm going to solve between 0 and 2 pi. So therefore, I set these both equal to 0 and solve. Sine of x equals 1/2. I'm just trying to speed it up. Sine of x equals -1. And then, sure enough, guys, now we need to solve these two. So when is sine equal to 1/2? I'm just going to speed this along. I'm not going to draw the unit circle. Sine of x is equal to 1/2 at pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. And sine of x is equal to -1 at 3 pi halves. OK, you can use the unit circle or come and see me, but I really want you guys to be doing some problems, so I am just going to work that problem.